What we're doing today is we're solving the following systems of equation. The only difference is that we have three variables and three equations. So we're going to use what we call the elimination method. And you notice in equation 1 and equation 2, the y variables is positive and negative. In equation 2 and equation 3, the y variables are also a negative and a positive. So we're going to add those two sets of equations. So we have 3x plus y minus z equals negative 6. And we have 2x minus y plus 2z equals 8. So we're going to add those two. We have 5x and we have y minus y that cancels. And we have 2 plus 2z minus z, which gives us z equals 2. Now we're going to go ahead and add equation 2 and equation 3. So we have 2x minus y plus 2z equals 8. And we have 4x plus y minus 3z equals negative 21. So we're going to add 2x plus 4x gives us 6x. And negative y plus y cancels. And we're left with negative z equals negative 13. So now we have 5x plus z equals 2, and we have 6x minus z equals negative 13. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead, equation A and equation B, we're going to go ahead and add. So 5x plus 6x gives us 11x. And you notice the z and the negative z cancels, and we're left with negative 11. And since we're multiplying, we're going to go ahead and divide by 11. So we know that x will be negative 1. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute negative 1 into one of the equations. So we have 5 times negative 1 plus z equals 2. So we have negative 5 plus z equals 2. So we add 5 to both sides. That cancels, so we have z is equal to 7. So we have x equal negative 1. And we have z equals 7. So now we'll use one of the original equations to find the missing variable. In this case, it's going to be, we have x and we have z and we're missing y. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to use one of the equations. I'm going to use equation 1. So you have 3 times negative 1 plus y minus 7, since 7 is going to be substituted for z, equals negative 6. So 3 times negative 1 is negative 3 plus y minus 7 is equal to negative 6. So we have y minus 10 equals negative 6. So we add 10 to both sides. And we know that 10 minus 10 is gone, so it's 0. So we have y is equal to 4. So the solution is x, y, and z.